x power 4 minus 3m plus 2 x square plus m square has 4 real roots forming consecutive terms of AP. Consecutive terms of AP. So, roots, because of consecutive terms of AP, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So, it is 4th degree equation. What about sum of roots? Minus x cube coefficient by x power 4 coefficient. X cube coefficient by x power 4 coefficient. That implies, what about sum of roots? 4a is equal to, here there is no x cube coefficient, so 0. Then a is equal to 0. A is equal to, so now roots. What are the roots? Minus 3d, minus d, plus d, plus 3d. Product of roots plus constant by x power 4 coefficient. Right, sir? So that implies, what is constant? M square, x power 4 coefficient 1. Here minus into minus plus 9d power 4 is equal to m square. So m is equal to plus or minus 3d square. Okay, sum of roots completed, product of roots completed. What about the middle, next one? Sum of product of 2 roots taken at a time. 2 roots taken. How many roots? Here 4. So how many times we can take 2 roots? 4c2 times. How many times, sir? 4c2 times. So that is minus 3d into minus d plus minus 3d into plus d plus minus 3d into 3d plus minus d into plus d plus minus d into plus 3d plus d into 3d is equal to, that is, what is the value? See here, x cube coefficient minus, next to plus, x square coefficient, x coefficient minus, constant plus, that is the order. So plus of minus, minus 3m plus 2, 3m plus, what about these two? Plus 3d square minus 3d square gets cancelled. Next, see, minus 3d square plus 3d square gets cancelled. Minus 9d square minus d square. That implies minus 10d square is equal to minus of 3m plus 2. Both sides. What about d square? What we have to find m value. So d square is equal to 10 into plus or minus m by 3 is equal to 3m plus 2. That implies plus or minus 10m is equal to 9m plus 6. So once with plus m and once with minus m. So 10m minus 9m is equal to 6, minus 10m minus 9m is equal to 6. So m is equal to 6. M not equal to minus 6 by 19. Since m greater than 0, that is the first condition. So what about m value? Therefore m is equal to 6. Now see second one. How many of you did second question? Only 3. F of AB is equal to AF of B plus BF of A. AF of B plus BF of A. And F is mapping from Z plus 2 z plus. F of 10 is equal to 19. F of 12 is equal to 52. F of 15 is equal to 26. What is f of 8? What is f of 8? 30? So, how we can do this sum? See, f of, simply we can do f of 120, f of 10, f of 12. 10 f of 12 plus 12 f of 10. 10 f of 12 plus 12 f of 10. You know f of 10. What is f of 10? 19. What is f of 12? So 10 into 52 plus 12 into 19. What is the sum here? F of 120. 520 plus 228. That is equal to 748. 748. And f of 120 can be written as, see, f of 15 is there? Yes, 15 into 8. So 8 f of 15 plus 15 f of 8 is equal to 784. That implies 748, sorry. What is f of 15? F of 15, 26. 15 f of 8 is equal to 748. What is the sum here? 15 f of 8 is equal to 748 minus 48 to 4 to 208. What is the difference here? 540. Then f of 8 is equal to 540 by 15. 3's 9's. In other way also we can do. See, f of 10 can be written as 2f of 5 plus 5f of 2. That is equal to 19. F of 12. 2f of 6 plus 6f of 2. That is equal to, see, again f of 6. 2f of 3 plus 3f of 2 is equal to, plus already 6f of 2 is there, is equal to 52. Now, 2 3's 6 plus 6, 12f of 2. So, 4f of 3 plus 12f of 2 is equal to 52. So, let it be 1, it is 2. Right? Next, f of 15, 3f of 5 plus 5f of 3 is equal to 26. That is equation 3. Now see, what we required, f of 8, that is in terms of 2. 2 into 4 or 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so that we have to eliminate f of 5 and f of 3. So that first equation into 3 minus second equation into 2. Then what we will get here, once go through, 6f of 5 minus 6f of 5. Because it is 3 into 2, it is, 2 into 3, 3 into 2. So these two gets cancelled. Then what remains here? Into 3, 15 f of 2, 15 f of 2 into 3 into 2 minus 10 f of 3 is equal to 57 minus 52, 5. So it is 3 f of 2 minus 2 f of 3 is equal to 1. Okay, now it is multiplied by 2. 6 f of 2 minus 4 f of 3 is equal to 2. Let it be 4. Now add 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? 18 f of is equal to 2 plus 52, 54. That implies f of 2 is equal to 3. Now what we have to find? F of 8. That is 4f of 2 plus 2f of 4. Again 4f of 2 plus 2 into 2f of 2 plus 2f of 2. F of 4, 2 into 2. Okay na? Now see 4f of 2 plus 4 2s, 8 plus 4, 12f of 2. What is f of 2? 3. Right? P of x leaves reminders minus 4, minus 1, 4 when divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 respectively. Then find the remainder when P of x is divided by x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 3. So given what is divisor? X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 3. It can be written as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. And also given P of 1, when P of x divided by x minus 1, P of x divided by x minus 1, what is the remainder? Minus 4. P of 2, minus 1. P of 3, 4. When P of x divided by x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 3, if quotient q of x plus remainder, what is the degree of divisor here? 3. When degree of divisor 3 means, what about degree of remainder? Less than 3 means it may be 2 or it may be 1 or it may be 0. So assume that it may be 1. Ax square, it may be 2. Ax square plus bx plus c with the remainder. This is division algorithm. P of x is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in this equation, you know P of 1. If you will take 1, this becomes 0 because 1 is a root of this expression. So that a plus is equal to already P of 1 minus 4, that is given. Let it be 1. And P of 2, 4a plus 2b plus c, because this becomes 0 and it is minus 1. Let it be 2. Now P of 3 square into a, 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 4. That is third equation. Now 2 minus 1, 4a minus a, 3a plus b is equal to 3. Next 3 minus 2, 3 minus 5a plus b is equal to 5. So let it be 4. It is 5. Now 5 minus 4, 2a, 2. Then what is a value? 1. A is equal to 1 in third equation. Then b is equal to 0 because 3 into 1 plus b equal to 3. Okay, in fourth equation. Now a comma b in first equation, 3 plus 0, a value 1, 1 plus 0 plus c is equal to minus 4. So c is equal to minus 5. So therefore, what is the remainder? 1x square plus 0x minus 5. That is equal to x square minus 5. That is the remainder 0. Now come to fourth question. G of x is 6th degree monic polynomial. G of x is 6th degree. What is monic polynomial? What is meant by monic polynomial? Leading coefficient is equal to 1. Right. Now, g of 1, 1. G of 2, 2. G of 3, 3. G of 4, 4. G of 5, 5. G of 6, 6. So it is g of 1 minus 1 equal to 0. G of 1 minus 1 equal to 0. G of 2 minus 2 equal to 0. G of 3 minus 3 equal to 0. G of 4 minus 4 equal to 0. G of 5 minus 5 equal to 0. G of 6 minus 6 equal to 0. G of 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Let it be f of 1. It is f of 2. It is f of 3. It is f of 4. It is f of 5. It is f of 6. Right. So, f of 1, 0. F of 2, 0. F of 3, 0. F of 4, 0. F of 5, 0. F of 6, 0. Therefore, f of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 4 into x minus 5, because of leading coefficient 1 here. Other than 1, is there any leading coefficient? Let it be k or something. Into x minus 6. It is g of x minus x. It is g of x minus x. Sir came, huh? Open that door. Right. So therefore, g of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 of x minus 5 of x minus 6 plus x. Now what we have to find? G of 7. G of 7. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 7. So it is 6 factorial. 720 plus 7 is equal to 727. Orthocenter of triangle formed by the vertices 0, 0, 2012, 0 and 2010, 2012. Okay. So consider the coordinate axis. So one vertex is 0, 0. Other vertex is 2012, 0. Because of y coordinate 0 is on x axis. Is on x axis. And the third vertex is 2010, 2012. This is the triangle. Okay. So triangle OAB. Altitude of OB is altitude of OB. This is altitude of OB. This is 2010. 2010. See, this is perpendicular and it is perpendicular. So these two are parallel. Who is this? Y axis. So this altitude perpendicular to y axis. Parallel to y axis. Parallel to line equation parallel to y axis. Line equation which is parallel to y axis is Very good. Who said? X equal to K. X equal to K. So what is K value here? 2000. So X is equal to 2010. X is equal to, right. Now one more altitude have to find. One more altitude have to find. Right. Now better to find slope of AB. Slope of AB. What is AB slope? y2 minus y1. 2012 minus 0 by 2010 minus 2012. That is equal to minus 1006. Minus 1000. Perpendicular slope of AB. Minus 1 by AB slope. Minus 1 by minus 1006. 1 by 1006. Now, altitude equation of AB. Altitude to AB. This is altitude to AB. Okay, altitude equation of altitude to A on AB. Equation of altitude from O to AB is, what is so let it be x1 y1. What is the equation? It is slope m. Point x1 y1, slope m. Line equation. Point x1 y1, slope m. What is line equation? Point slope form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So x is equal to otherwise y is equal to x by 1006. And you know x value. What is x value? Okay, leave it. Now orthocenter is equal to point of intersection of altitudes. Point of intersection of altitudes. What are the altitudes? X is equal to 2010, one altitude. Y is equal to x by 1006. So therefore x comma y be the altitude. What is the altitude? X coordinate 2010. Y coordinate. What is y coordinate? 2010 by 1006. Suppose, see, one vertex, if you will give like this, 0, 0 is one vertex, 2012 comma 0 other vertex, and the third vertex is 2012 comma 2012. Then what is orthocenter? What is orthocenter? It is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle at angle B. For obtuse angle triangle, for acute angle triangle, orthocenter inside. For obtuse, outside. Because see, it is obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Perpendicular from vertex to base is on produced base. Is on produced base. So that orthocenter is outside of the triangle. For right angle triangle, where the right angle is situated, right vertex is the orthocenter. Vertex is also called as angular point. So right angular point or right vertex is the orthocenter. In the case of right angle triangle. In the case of right angle. But our question is different because these two are not equal. Right? So whenever, if three vertices are given, if you want to find orthocenter, So first of all, slope of AB, its perpendicular slope, and line joining of that perpendicular slope with the opposite vertex. That is one altitude. In the same way, slope of AB and its perpendicular slope, whenever perpendicular slope have to find means that is minus 1 by given line slope. Then we will get the perpendicular line slope. Perpendicular slope, and that is passing through its vertex, opposite vertex O. Now, two altitudes, by solving them, we will get orthocenter. Okay, Nandi? Now, see next question. F of x is defined in x belongs to R. F of x is defined in x belongs to R. And one more condition is given. That is f of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 is equal to f of x1 plus fx2 plus fx3 plus fx4 plus fx5 minus. Then what we have to find? F of 0. Very simple. Let x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 be 0. Then LHS becomes f of 0. RHS becomes 5f of 0 minus 8. Then f of 0 is equal to 2. That's enough. How many of you did this question? Only 3 or 4 members are capable. Remaining they are not using brains. Okay, leave it. See, here set of or system of equations are given. Already we did this kind of questions. So we have to solve. How many variables are there here? X, Y, Z, W. 4 variables are there. How many equations are given? So that is enough to find 4 variables. Okay, right. Now, you do one thing. So let it be 1, 2, 3, 4. Better to make remaining 3 variables in terms of 1 variable. Suppose y, z, w can be expressed in terms of x. Then all the values going to be substituted in first equation, then we will get x value. After getting x value, we can find y, z, w. So, better to subtract 2 minus 1. What is the result? See, z plus w, z plus w gets cancelled. Then 2y minus x. 2y minus x is equal to 1. Let it be 4. Otherwise, what about y here? 1 plus x by 2. So, already we got y value. Now, see, x plus w means 3 minus 2. X plus w gets cancelled. 4z minus z, 3z minus 2y is equal to 1. That implies z is equal to 1 plus 2y by 3. So z is equal to 1 plus 2 into what is y value? 1 plus x by 2 by 3. 2 gets cancelled. 2 plus x by 3. That is z value. Next. X plus y gets cancelled. When 4 minus 3. Then what remains here? 4w plus 4w minus 3z is equal to 22. 25 minus 3. 22. Then what is w? 22 plus 3z by 4. So w is equal to, see, if you will transpose this denominator into LHS, 3z is equal to 2 plus x. 2 plus x plus 22 by 4. Okay, na? Right. Now, you know x plus y plus z plus w is equal to x plus y. What is y? 2x plus what is y? 1 by 2 plus What is Z? 2 by 3 plus what is W? 24 by 4 plus x by 4 is equal to 1. Now have to simplify. 2x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 4 is equal to 1 minus 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. Okay na? Now here LCM 12. 24x plus 12x plus 6x plus 4x plus 3x is equal to first you have to find x, then we'll get w. W, x, y, z all will get. What is LCM? 6 minus 30 minus 5 minus 30, this is minus 3 minus 2. What about LH? Minus 4. Okay. What about LHS? 37 37 x is equal to minus 37 into 2. That implies x is equal to minus 2. Now what we have to find? What is W? 24x plus x by 4. That is equal to 22 by 4. 11 by if you want to find y, what is y? 1 plus x by 2. 1 minus 2 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. What is z? 2 minus 2 plus x by 2. That is equal to 2 minus 2 by 2. So how many of you did this question? By verification, process only. Right, good. Not all.